Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today I'll show you how to create a video with Digen AI. First, you want to search for Digen AI on your browser, then you will get here this interface. First, you should log in into your account, of course, in order to use the application. Then what you should do, you will find here this interface or this box. You just have to choose the model from here. Which model do you want to use it? And after that, the duration of your video and the aspect ratio of your video also. I will use 16:9. Then the quality of your video. And if you want to add an image, you just have to click on this option right here, then click on upload image. Let's say that you want to make an animated video of an image or object that you have as an image. But now let me choose, I need a video of Spider-Man saving a girl from falling in front of a car, for example. And of course, it will ask me to sign in using my account. After that, I will hit enter. Then it will take some time. And here it tells you exactly the estimated time for your video that you want to generate. After that, here you can find here that your video is available. Now you can simply download it. You can copy the seed, you can copy the prompt, you can share it to WhatsApp, you can delete the video, or you can download it from here or delete it from here, whatever you have. You can show it on full screen. And it also has a voice effects inside the video. And if you want to get all the videos that you have created before, you can simply go and click on all spaces right here on the left side. And here you can see this video of this cat, for example, that I have created before. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful and useful, please consider like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.